Swedish Death cleaning. What is it and how did it completely change our home? I can't wait to share with you today. Oh my gosh, there is so much going on. You aren't alone. Ordering out. If you're looking to declutter this season and need it to be low stress and achievable, I'm really glad you made it here today. I am with you. This strategy really works. So today, I want to walk you through some of the tricks of Swedish death cleaning, some brand new ideas I've never talked about before that help me so much and keep it real with you. This video is sponsored in part by Skillshare, and without further ado, let's jump into it. I first heard about this technique from the book The Gentle Art of Swedish Death Cleaning by Margareta Magnusson. I'll let her explain. Y'all, she is so cool.
The standing is death cleaning. You want to get rid of a lot of things that you have collected or have in your home. Start to death clean as soon as you can think. I mean, a 5-year-old kid doesn't think about death. But don't collect things that you don't want. Someone has to take care of it. Chippy!
I love Margareta because she's so real. She's not a minimalist. She's not trying to be something that she's not. She's merely sharing. In Sweden, near the end of your life, you go through a process of letting go of belongings that no longer serve you so they don't weigh down your family when you're not here to deal with them. And the idea is you don't have to be dying to death clean. It gives you more space for living, something we can all use right now.
You can die tomorrow. I don't think you will, but who's going to take care of all this crap? Oh, God.
Margareta spews straight truth. We've got to let this junk go. Okay, so grab a laundry basket and let's start with the why. She says we hold on to things for 3 basic reasons: our clutter instinct, our hoarding instinct, and our fear of death. We keep way more than is realistic. Think the scarcity mindset that we sometimes get, but honestly, give yourself a break. I know for me, when I enter new life seasons with my family, those are some of the biggest culprits because things you once loved are no longer used. But for those things, the goodbye is kind of a hello to more freedom in your house. And that's really helped me. Welcome. Give yourself a gift of a little bit of time to let it go. Greg McGowan, author and motivational speaker, has some incredibly inspiring words on this topic that go really well in tandem with Swedish death cleaning. I'll let him explain.
I've spent the last 15 years pretty obsessed by a single question, which is, what is it that holds capable, driven people from breaking through to the next level? And the answer to that question, to my great surprise, is success. I first observed this working with executive teams in Silicon Valley, where I noticed that when they were focused on a few things, it led to success. But success breeded so many opportunities and options that diffused the very focus that led to success in the first place. And so, exaggerating the point in order to make it, I found that success becomes a catalyst for failure, because it leads to what Jim Collins called the undisciplined pursuit of more. The antidote to that problem is the disciplined pursuit of less but better. That means exploring the very critical things you want to pursue and being willing to then, number 2, eliminate the rest, and number 3, build a platform for effortless execution so that doing what is essential becomes the default position, not just the rare occasion.
Less but better. Also for me, I find when I shift my focus from stuff to people, I'm a lot more easily able to make that distinction, and my family usually reminds me when I seem too busy. I think I'm just realizing I'm feeling really grumpy. Just going through all this stuff, the dog's picking up on it. I feel like I'm like the Grinch over here.
May have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
This is me and Copper. I don't know about you? Sometimes decluttering can make me grumpy just because it takes so much extra time and it can feel really stressful. So I've been really trying to focus on the gifts, especially this season, that my decluttering provides. It's a gift of more time for our family, and it's a gift to somebody else who can use things that are just stagnant in our house. Maybe you can't afford to give something financially, but you can give something you're not using and give it new purpose. I definitely did this in my craft room. I finally made the move to give the things that I've created, all the stuff I love doing and I've been meaning to, I just have been putting it off. And honestly, how many outfit changes are you seeing in this video? I'll let you count. I don't even know how many days it took me all to do this, but I'm a huge fan of working in 20-minute spurts. The power of 20. Just 20 minutes to get up and do a couple of things every single day so I don't have to feel so overwhelmed. And I'm not aiming for all of it to be done or perfect. 80% done, 80% of the time. Good enough is good enough.
Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Christmas.
I've gotten lots of messages from you guys recently too. This season isn't always easy. I've been filming this video over several days, and on Friday I was walking up the stairs and I tripped, fell, and sprained my ankle. I went to the doctor, got an x-ray. It's not a fracture, I'm gonna be okay. And suddenly not having the same mobility, it made everything infinitely harder. I'm gonna be fine, but I was thinking about no matter what is going on this season, there's so many extra things. A lot of them are hard, like the sprained foot. A lot of them are good, but it's extra stuff, buying thoughtful gifts for people, in addition to keeping up with the cleaning of your house. In fact, you feel like it needs to be even cleaner, in addition to working. I wanna give you the same permission that I had to give myself. You are doing enough. It's okay. And I hope that you take some time to pat yourself on the back for all you have done, even when it's not complete. Lower that bar. You do not have to compare yourself to anything you're seeing online, a beautiful image of a perfectly decorated house. You do you and do the best you can. It doesn't all have to be done for it to be good. All in all, this year, our gentle Swedish Death cleaning was actually really life-giving, worth celebrating.
Chippy!
Our annual Christmas card delivery to see the Christmas lights, right, buddy? Carson, did you drop the cards off?
Yeah.
How'd it go?
Good.
Good. All right. Here we go, guys. Let's go see these lights.
That's a noise, grinned the Grinch. I simply must hear. So he paused, and the Grinch put a hand to his ear. Every Who down in Whoville, the tall and the small, was singing without any presents at all. He hadn't stopped Christmas from coming. Somehow it came, just the same.
Waiting on Christmas night.
If you enjoyed today's video, you're definitely going to want to check out Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community with thousands of classes, all taught by experts, so you can get creative and learn about the things that inspire you. From watercolor to photography, and there's even a class taught by Greg McEwen himself, all about essentialism. If you want to learn more about it, I love how it breaks it down. You can learn and work at your own pace. And what's more, the first 1,000 people to click the link in my description and get to try out Skillshare Premium absolutely free. I love it so much, and I'm so grateful. There's such a great support of the Do It on a Dime community. My friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I can't wait to catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe so I can see you there. Bye.